Hello everybody, this is Jazz Maheen for the Embassy of Peace, inviting you to tune in and feel if it's right for you to perhaps join us at Rio de Janeiro in Brazil for a 5-day incredible gathering with wonderful, aware and like-minded people where we will just blend and harmonize our energy to go deeper into the true love, pure love program. This really is my favorite energy. Pulsating within every human being is this incredible vibration. And when it flows through us, when it rises within us, when it reveals itself, not only does it take away all our hunger, physical, emotional, mental, and even spiritual, but it also brings us into the grandest love affair energy that we can ever know. When it's strong within us, it just brings us into a state of permanent peace and gratitude and wholeness and completion, so that all our relationships with everyone in the world change so dramatically. Our relationships with our partners if we're married, our relationship with our children, with friends, and even all our business networks, everything begins to change as a reflection of the change in our own personal keynote and vibration. So in this gathering, we're going to focus on romantic love, how to bring out the best in each other, and a higher way of being together where that love and wisdom energy that we carry is really present. And then we look at our family and friend and community matrix before going more into this really beautiful Shiva Shakti dance of oneness to realize the highest potential that we as a species can operate in. So I'm so looking forward to connecting with you and being with you and sharing with you and playing with you and just strengthening these beautiful pure love, true love energies that we all carry. This is Jazz Maheen for the Embassy of Peace.